afternoon, dear students. Welcome to englimia.com in the series of how we can improve our grammar. Today we are going to learn about the second part of speech, that is pronoun. In my previous video, I have told you the definition of pronoun, and I am going to give you the link of that video in the description box. You can check with that. Now see how many types of pronoun are there. Types of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and relative pronoun. We are going to talk on them one by one, so you could understand why they are different from one another, and where or in which sentence we have to use which type of pronoun. The first one is personal pronoun. As the title shows, there are three types of persons: first person, second person, and third person. In first person, we have I and we. Second person is always you in English, and in third person we see he, she, it, and they. Well, in order to understand what are these pronouns, I mean the personal pronoun and possessive pronoun, I'm going to let you see a chart so you could easily understand. From this table we can understand that there are first person, second person, and third person, and there are three cases: nominative or subjective, or it is called personal pronoun case, and then possessive case, and then objective. So according to nominative, subjective, or personal pronoun case, we can see that the first person singular is I and first person plural is we. जब हम इसको पर्सनल प्रोनाउन के तौर पे किसी सेंटेंस में यूज़ कर रहे हैं और उस सेंटेंस में वो केस नॉमिनेटिव या सब्जेक्टिव कहलाएगा, क्योंकि इसको हम सब्जेक्ट के तौर पे उस सेंटेंस के अंदर यूज़ करेंगे, तो ये आई सिंगुलर में और वी प्लूरल में होगा. जब हम सेकंड पर्सन की बात करें तो नॉमिनेटिव केस में या फिर पर्सनल प्रोनाउन के केस में या सब्जेक्टिव केस में हमारे पास यू ही सिंगुलर है और यू ही प्लूरल है इंग्लिश में. थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर इज ही, शी, इट, और प्लूरल में हमारे पास है दे. एज फार एज पोजेसिव केस इज कंसर्न्ड और पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस आर कंसर्न्ड, उसमें सिंगुलर में हमारे पास आई के लिए माई और माइन है, और वी के लिए हमारे पास आवर एंड आवर्स है. सेकंड पर्सन में योर एंड योर्स, एंड थर्ड पर्सन में ही के लिए हिज है, हर शी के लिए हर और हर्स है, इट के लिए इट्स है, और दे के लिए हम देखेंगे देयर एंड देयर्स. ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में अगर हम देखें तो इसी सिंगुलर आई को हम माइन और मी में यूज़ करते हैं, क्योंकि सेंटेंस में ये ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह पे आता है. जैसे हम एक स्ट्रक्चर सीख चुके हैं एस प्लस वी प्लस ओ, उसके अंदर ऑब्जेक्ट में जब हम इसको यूज़ करेंगे प्रोनाउन को, इस पर्सनल प्रोनाउन को, तो वो ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में फॉल करेगा. देन वी कैन सी दैट इन प्लूरल आवर्स एंड अस, सेकेंड पर्सन में हमेशा योर्स होता है. थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर में ही के लिए हिम है, शी के लिए हर्स है, एंड इट्स फॉर इट. एंड एज फार एज प्लूरल इज कंसर्न, इन थर्ड पर्सन we can see theirs and them. Let's see a few examples so you could easily understand these cases and first person, second person, third person differentiation. Here are the examples. It is my pen. You can see that this my is showing possession. It is my pen. And we can also say this pen is mine. So as far as the structure of the sentence is concerned, it is my pen means it has been used as a subject, and is a helping verb. My is showing possession, that is possessive pronoun. And pen is the object. So pen की possession को show कर रहा है my, तो हम इसको possessive pronoun कहेंगे. मीनिंग के लिहाज से ये दोनों सेंटेंसेस दिस पेन इज़ माइन या फिर इट इज़ माई पेन दोनों पोजेशन ही शो कर रहे हैं, बट स्ट्रक्चर के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें तो माइन को यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट में फॉल करवाया गया है और ये है ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. दिस पेन इज़ माइन. The next sentence is it is your house. Your is showing possession and this house is yours. Again the same thing, that it has been used as an object. So as far as the structure of the sentence is concerned, but meanings are same. This is the difference between personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. Now let's see, what do we mean by demonstrative pronoun? As far as definition is concerned, we can see that pronouns which identify something or someone. Singular में हमारे पास दो हैं, this and that. Plural, these and those. And you know, this and these are used for the things or the objects or for somebody who is near to you. And that and those are used for those things or people or objects which are far from you. For example, this is my car. These are her pens. This is plural, the second one is plural, and the first one is singular. You can see the difference. That is the table, and those are dirty curtains. It means कि आप पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं कोई दूर की चीज़ को, और दिस में आपको वो नियर लगती है, या फिर दीज में. ओके, अब यहाँ पे मैं आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव के बारे में भी बताती चलूँ. इनको मिक्स मत कीजिएगा. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन इज़ डिफरेंट देन डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव, एंड it could be very much clear with an example. So I have given an example over here. Their house is expensive. It means that, as you know, that adjective is to qualify. Adjective means to define the quality of something or good or bad attribute of something or some place or any object. So that house is expensive means that you are telling the quality of the house. So here we have used expensive to describe the demonstrative quality of house, because we have learned that demonstrative pronoun means, or demonstrate means, to identify something. It means that this house is different than the other because it is expensive. Let's see what is interrogative pronoun. As the name shows, interrogative means to question, right? So these pronouns are used to ask questions. They're also called WH words. हमने बहुत दफ़ा देखा, since our childhood we have been watching, but we don't know what they are called. So they are called interrogative pronouns. For example, what, which, when, who, where, why, whether, whom, how, and whose. And they could be used in many sentences like, what are you doing? And why is she going? So you can see that both of them are showing the questions. All right, I hope you have understood. Let's see the next one, and that is reflexive pronoun. Well, reflexive pronouns end in self or selves, singular and plural. Myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, oneself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. So you can see that there are 9 in total. So all of them are called reflexive pronoun. Let's see an example. She was talking to herself. Okay, वो अपने आप से बात कर रही है. Thus you can make various sentences with the rest of reflexive pronouns. Okay, the next one is relative pronoun. These pronouns are used to refer to nouns which have mentioned previously, or relative pronoun is used to connect a relative clause, and that is dependent clause. इसका क्या मतलब है? ये ऑलरेडी आप जो जुमले में पहले बात कर चुके हैं उसको अगले जुमले से कनेक्ट करने के लिए ऐसे लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल होते हैं, ऐसे प्रोनाउन इस्तेमाल होते हैं, और ये हमें बताते हैं कि पहले क्या बात हो रही थी, उसकी कंटिन्यूटी को ये आगे लेके चलते हैं. जैसा कि दैट, विच, हुज, व्हाट, हु, इसको एक एग्जांपल से क्लियर कर लेते हैं. एग्जांपल इज this is the same topic that has been discussed earlier. You can see in the example. So this is the same topic. ये वही topic है that has been discussed, जो कि पहले discuss earlier, जो कि पहले discuss हो चुका है. Another example is she saw the lady whom she worked once. She saw the girl whom she worked in the office, but she did not like her, or but she didn't like her. Alright, whom is a relative pronoun in this sentence. That is the cause of connecting the first clause to the second clause. So the second clause is dependent on the first clause, and this is the first clause, and then relative pronoun, and then the next one. I hope you guys have understood what I have told you, and you would definitely try to master it. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.